feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
Yes, a faulty injector pump can cause a misfire in an engine. This occurs because the pump fails to supply the correct amount of fuel at the right pressure to the engine cylinders, leading to incomplete combustion. Symptoms of a misfire can include rough idling, decreased power, and increased emissions. To address this issue, inspect the injector pump for signs of wear or damage and consider professional diagnostic tests to accurately identify and fix the problem.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.